Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, July 11, 2024, and we're looking to go up with QQQ.
Order filled.
V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. V pattern, wide state, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. Wide state, V pattern, H pattern, slingshot. And here's the first retrace. We went up, we pulled back, we're going back up. Now I expect this to hit our target on this leg. So impulsed up, we corrected, we're in an impulse again. If we don't get it on this next leg, that means that the statistical probability is it's not going to have enough strength to get to the full dollar. So it might retrace once more. If we get a second retrace, as soon as it spikes up to that area, we'll close out. So let's see what happens. And here's the second retrace, ladies and gentlemen. So you can see we came up. We're in a narrow state right now, pulling back. And if it runs quickly up to that 502.50, hold on one second.
Order filled.
Just in the nick of time. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $1 move. Now, if the price can't get above this narrow state with the 21,200, it might come back down to the low of the day, if not farther, but it needs to get through there in order to continue to go up, and I don't see that, especially this drop off after we just exited at a $1 move. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day, and never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, July 11, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state. H pattern with lightning. H pattern, wide state. H pattern. V pattern, wide state. H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move. We're going to stick with this trade and see how it reacts off the 21 moving average on our 2-minute chart. It'll also be crashing into a former pivot low area, so we're going to keep that in mind. We're not going to overstay our welcome because most importantly, we have to factor in that we are trading against the dominant energy. So this would be by definition a counter trend trade. So we can't expect the up moves to overpower the down moves that are already happened. So we're going to look and see how this reacts and then go from there.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.25 move, ladies and gentlemen. If this price holds at the 493 level, once it settles, we are going to go back up with the market. We're seeing a V pattern form. We'll mark up our charts after we're already in profits, but as you can see, it's still Thursday, July 11th, 2024.
Order filled.
All right, so we're going up with the market. I expect this to move fast. We're going to see if we can get about a $1 ride out. Hold on one second, right there. We're going to see if we can get a $1 ride out of this. Now, I'm not going to mark up my charts quite yet. This might be a fast moving play, so I want to make sure that we get out of any risk before I start drawing on my charts again.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do right now is we're going to lock in a guaranteed dollar move, and we're going to go over what we saw on the charts. V pattern. H pattern, V pattern, wide state. Hold on, let me lock in some more profits. H pattern, here he had the drop after the C retrace. We got in at the bottom. H pattern with our oscillators. We also had a wide state.
Order fill.
And there we have about $1.25 up. Now, I didn't think it was going to go much farther than this control area that it dropped down violently the last time. Let me show you right here. But again, going back to the last time I pointed out, we are counter trend trading. So I don't expect big moves up, especially since we had big moves down. So you get in, manage, get out, take what the market offers you.